This week we continue our Central Oregon road trip with Dave's parents, Beth and Mike. We hiked the Big Obsidian Lava Flow Trail at Newberry Volcano National Monument. Then we walk around Paulina Lake in search of natural hot springs. Today we're exploring Newberry Volcano National Monument. We're at the Big Obsidian Lava Flow Trail. It's only a mile long, so Jensen's gonna walk, and we're ready to explore today.
And then we're gonna see some chipmunks.
Can you show me your big hole?
Dad.
Yeah?
Dad.
Rocks.
Josie, where are your shoes?
And then I will get all dried up, and then I will park back in. And then I will be back.
Sunny. The obsidian is so shiny that it's hard to capture on a camera or even with a photo because it just reflects the sun. It's a really sunny day. So I hope you're able to see it, but it's really neat. You should definitely come check this place out. This is the Big Obsidian Lava Flow Trail. Very kid-friendly. It's a mile round trip. And yeah, I think it's honestly good for any family. Also, mosquitoes are pretty bad here, so make sure you bring bug spray. We just took a quick bathroom break after the Obsidian Lava Flow Trail, and now we're hiking along Paulina Lake to try to find some hot springs. cold water.
Help you hurry up. Watch that rock. Good job. Flipping over that log. Of course, we're eating when the sun goes.
Making a bigger pool.
Making a bigger pool?
Starting to rain, so we are heading out.
Okay, one more minute.
Don't get too close to me.